How to install Adobe Photoshop on your Windows. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the Adobe Photoshop application on your Windows device. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. First thing first, you need to open up any web browser that you usually use, and then here you are just going to search for Photoshop download. And once you do that, you just hit enter and you'll find different links from here. You just have to find the official Adobe Photoshop right here. This one is from Adobe itself. So open up this link, and from here you are just gonna click on the link. Once you get on this web page, you need to click on start a free trial. And for this, you need to have a Creative Cloud account. So from here, it will ask you to choose a subscription plan. You just choose which one is suitable for you and then click on continue. Once you do that, it will take you to a checkout page right here. Now, once you do that, click on continue again, and it will take you to your payment page. So here you will just have to enter your email address and verify your account. Now from here you can just enter your payment details and then just click on agree and subscribe, and after that you should be able to use your Photoshop normally. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.